Want to make your Google business profile stand out and get more customers, this tip is for you. So check this out. When I search for chauffeur near me, you can see that category, limousine service, that's the main category. But check out this profile that really pops out. It says provides chauffeur service. And look at this. I just searched for chauffeur and this one pops out with bold saying chauffeur service. Why is that? Well, any little bit that you can do to help your Google business profile stands out means that your business is more likely to want the one that gets picked and gets the calls, clicks for directions, visits your website, and gets more leads. So this is one that's often overlooked. And this happens because this business profile has added the service section to their profile and has added chauffeur service as one of its keywords. Now you can see this business is really smart because look at all this: party bus, party night, minibus, luxury vehicles. Now you don't want to do keyword stuffing, but as long as they do all of this, limo rentals, limousine rentals, they've added all of these services to their business profile, which means not just the search for chauffeur service, but the search for any of these other services, their business profile will pop out with this bold that shows the person who's searching, hey, I'm matching exactly what you search. Now that creates more trust and credibility because now these other profiles are not showing that. They didn't add the services. So it makes it more likely that even though they rank third, that I'll actually click on their profile and maybe give them a call because I know specifically they offer the exact same thing I'm searching for. So in this video, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to figure out what those other things people are searching for related to your business so you can add those all to your services. And then I'm going to show you how to add services to your Google business profile to help you rank better, come up more, and attract the clicks when a search like this happens. Because, hey, any little bit that happens to help can lead to more business for you. So first thing is just go to Google Keyword Planner. You just log into a Google Ads account. It's free to set up, and then just jump in there and go to Keyword Planner, and then start with keywords, discover new keywords, and click on Get Results. Now, what it's going to show me here is it's going to show me all the main keywords and how much monthly volume those have. So you're going to want to sort this by highest monthly volume, right? So I'm going to search this by highest monthly volume, and I'm going to see limousine service has the most. But then I'm going to see limo service near me, limo service, limousine near me. I'm going to see limo rentals. You're going to see all of these keywords that have pretty high volume of search: airport limo, rent a limo, airport limo service. These are the types of keywords and for the services that I want to add to my profile because I know these are the things that people are searching. So if they search for, let's just say, limousine rentals, if I offer that, or if they say airport limo service, now I want this same experience to be what happens, where my profile stands out because it happens in bold right here. It bolds that I provide that exact service the person was searching for, helps me get more clicks. So what you do is then you go to your Google business profile, search your business name. You might need to search business name, city, state for it to pop up. Make sure you're logged in with your Gmail account associated with your profile. And then you just click right here on this edit services button and it pops up for you with all these plus signs. So my primary category is an equipment rental service. So it gives me a bunch of options like lighting rental. If somebody was searching lighting rental, I would want my profile to pop up with it boldened that I offer lighting rental, right? So I just click on these to add any of the default ones. And then if you're not seeing one from the keyword that people are searching in there as a default, you just click here on add custom service, and then you type in what it is, and then you click save, right? And then that's going to add that services section to your Google business profile, and it's going to help highlight your business in bold for those searches when people search for that in your area, right? So this is a great way to get more clicks, calls, website conversions and leads for your small business. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe for more great videos, and check out these next videos about how to enhance your Google business profile to get your business found more and get you more local customers.